What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be installing our Ranger 1000 Sport Muffler on this Ranger. You're going to need a 14mm socket and a way to remove some springs. We recommend our spring hook removal tool. This is a pretty straightforward, easy installation. You have the ability to run the heat shield or not run the factory heat shield. We're going to install the factory heat shield just to show you. 10mm wrench to get the heat shield on. It's really that easy. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so you got two 14mm bolts up top here, and a spring hook here, and a spring hook directly on the other side of that. We're gonna take all that loose. It's gonna be that quick and easy. All right, guys, so we're gonna pull this spring hook off. All right, guys, if you wanna cover up the exhaust, you just take this factory heat shield. We're gonna drop it right here, the 4 factory mounting spots using the factory hardware. Get it tightened down on there, ready to go. All right, guys, you got your heat shield on. Let's get this muffler put back in place. We're just gonna repeat the same steps you did to take it off. Kinda gotta hold it with one hand, get the spring hook started, and then it's easy after that. All right, now that the spring hooks are in, spring loaded muffler bolts installed, and finally get to hear this thing. All right, guys, that's your RPM Sport Muffler installed on your Ranger 1000. This is the installation video. If you're looking for the sound clip video, check our other videos. It's definitely there. These mufflers run way cooler. Get a little bump in power. They're not too loud. Sound great. You can pick them up at rpmsxs.com.